The goal of the Sonic Beatbox library was to experiment the abilities of the human voice as a tool for sound design. All the strange and odd sounds a person can make can oftentimes be used as an effective resource for an abstract element and sound layering. This library includes almost 300 recordings of different vocally produced sounds for you to use and mix. For musicians, there are over 50 individual samples of vocally produced drum sounds. Just put them in your favorite sampler and start playing around instantly. Also included are some simple beatbox loops that you can throw right in a mix. And finally, the library includes over 100 design sounds produced entirely from the vocal recordings, and show many of the possibilities of what can be created. All the proceeds above $5 for the Sonic Beatbox library go to Autism Speaks and helping to find the cure.